Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to insert our third custom field, which is on the opportunity object, and the field is called days to close. It's a formula field, and the formula is close date minus today's date. So how many days have passed since the close date? That is what this field is going to tell us. So the first thing is I did have an issue deploying this field to the org. I'm not sure if those issues still exist, but let's try it. And otherwise we will have to find a different way to add the field to the opportunity object. We might have to do it manually. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and ask Agentforce to go ahead and deploy this field for us. I'm going to go to the Agentforce Vibes here, and here I'm going to go ahead and say add the following field on the opportunity object, and the field is called, this is the field, it is days to close, it's a formula field, and we will go ahead and send this prompt here. And now what will happen is it's going to create the meta XML file, it's going to update the package.xml, it's going to do all of that. So first is it created the days to close field dash meta XML, so we're going to go ahead and hit save here, and then it is also going to update the package.xml. Okay, so here this is your package.xml, and it's update the package to include this new formula field in the deployment. Hit save. Okay, so package XML has been updated, as well as the meta XML file has been successfully updated. Now what it is doing is I'll deploy this formula field to your org. Now it knows, because of the previous request, that we have deployed those old two fields as well to the org. Now it understood it, and it's trying to deploy this field as well to the org. Now let's see if we come across any issues. This is a formula field. When I tried to do this earlier, it did have some issues, but now they have successfully added this field to the opportunity object and deployed it to the org. So this time it worked like a charm, no issue was found. So we'll go back to our org here, and we'll look under the opportunity object, and here under the opportunity I will go and look for days to close. Okay, so you can see here days to close has been successfully added, and this is the formula. It's a formula field, so we didn't come across any issues, which is good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and update the field level security by giving the access of this field to system admin. And then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to also add this field to the page layout. So we'll go to the page layouts here, and we'll open up the opportunity layout. And inside of the opportunity layout, we will go ahead and deploy days to close. So we're going to go ahead, and this is going to be a read-only field because it's a formula field, and based on the close date, this should get calculated. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh it here, and let's go to the details. Close date is 8/27. Now days to close is -47. So now if I go ahead and go over to any opportunity, and we go ahead and provide the opportunity name, we can say BlackBerry opportunity 1 account, we can put it to Burlington, and close date we will give it as next end of the October. Stage is prospecting. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and hit save here. And now what will happen is days to close will be calculated. It has 18 days to close. Okay, so there are 18 days left to close it. So this has been calculated correctly. So we have days to close have been successfully added and deployed with the help of Agentforce. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.